Doctors save lives. AI saves data. But what happens when data starts saving lives? Hey everyone, welcome back. Wait, not really. But imagine a world where your doctor isn't a person, but a program. One that never sleeps, never forgets, and can diagnose a disease before you even feel sick. Sounds incredible, right? But also terrifying. Because if artificial intelligence can predict illness better than humans, will it one day replace doctors entirely? Today, let's explore. Can AI really replace doctors, or are there parts of being human that machines can never truly understand? Every second, doctors make life or death decisions, but now AI can analyze thousands of medical images, X-rays, MRIs, CT scans in just seconds. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't blink, and sometimes it sees what humans can't. Tiny shadows, invisible patterns, signals of disease hiding deep inside the body suddenly become visible. It's like giving doctors superhuman vision. But AI doesn't stop there. By combining your heart rate, blood tests, and genetic data, it can predict illness before you even feel sick. Imagine knowing you're at risk for heart disease years in advance, and being able to stop it before it starts. And in the operating room, AI-guided robotic systems can perform surgeries with precision down to a single millimeter. They don't replace the surgeon, they enhance them, making operations safer and recovery faster. In fact, Google's DeepMind already built an AI that can detect over 50 types of eye disease as accurately as the best specialists, sometimes even earlier. That's millions of people who might never go blind, because a machine learned how to see. AI is getting frighteningly good at seeing what we can't. Today, it can read medical images with an accuracy of more than 90, sometimes even 95%. That means an algorithm can look at an X-ray or an MRI and instantly know whether a tiny spot is harmless or the start of something deadly. In many studies, AI has even caught diseases that doctors completely missed. Tiny tumors, hairline fractures, invisible traces of illness. It's humbling to realize that a machine can notice what years of human training might overlook. But here's the thing. AI only sees data. It doesn't understand fear, or pain, or what it means to suffer. It can tell you what's wrong with your body, but not how it feels to be human. Because medicine isn't just about information. It's about empathy. And no matter how powerful AI becomes, that's something only people can truly give. But doctors are more than just diagnosticians. They are comforters, listeners, and moral decision makers. When a patient is terrified, in pain, or facing the unknown, they don't need an algorithm. They need a human. Someone who can look into their eyes and say, "I understand." An AI can analyze your heartbeat, your scans, your entire medical history. But it can't hold your hand when you're scared. It can't decide whether to prolong life or ease suffering. Those choices require empathy, not equations. So here's a question. Would you trust an AI to tell you you're dying? It could deliver the message with perfect accuracy, but without compassion, without humanity. And sometimes the way truth is told matters just as much as the truth itself. But here's the thing about AI. It's not a genius. It's a mirror. It doesn't understand medicine. It imitates patterns from data. And if that data is wrong, biased, or incomplete, the AI won't correct it. Well, it will amplify it. A human mistake becomes an algorithmic certainty. Yet even when it's right, something is missing. Because a patient isn't a data set, they're a story. A collection of emotions, fears, and hopes. AI might detect a heartbeat irregularity, but it can't sense the grief behind it. It can measure pain, but not feel it. And that brings us to a difficult question. When an AI misdiagnoses someone, who's responsible? The doctor who used it? The hospital? The engineers who built it? In a world where decisions are shared between humans and algorithms, accountability starts to blur. And maybe that's the most dangerous diagnosis of all. Maybe the future isn't about AI replacing doctors, but upgrading them. The true power of medicine lies where human intuition meets machine precision. AI can scan thousands of outcomes in seconds, but only a human can feel fear, empathy, and hope. So perhaps progress isn't humans versus machines, but humans with machines, healing the world together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to explore our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.